So chapter exercise 12.1 question 3, question 12 part 3 we were doing, and third question is in the triangle, this is given as angle x and this is given as angle 130 and the two sides are equal. The two sides are equal, we have to find angle x. So as we know, this is angle 130 and this whole angle on a straight line is, this is 180. So angle 1 plus angle 2 must be equal to 180. Similarly, if this is 130 and this is angle 1 plus 130 must be equal to 180. Therefore, angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 130 is equal to 50. So angle 1 is 50, and because these two sides are equal, this angle is also 50, and then x will be equal to x plus 50 plus is equal to 180, and x is equal to 180 minus 100 is equal to 80. Our angle x is 80. So next question is find the value of x. So again we have to find the value of x in the question. So triangle is given as follows. So triangle is given, these two sides are equal and these two sides are also equal. This angle is 50. So this is 50, and we have to find x. We have to find angle x. Now let this be angle 1. Angle 1 is equal to 50. Why? Because the two sides are equal. These two sides are equal, therefore angle 1 is also equal to 50. Because if sides are equal, their angle opposite to the equal sides are also equal. So if these two angles are 50, so angle 1 plus angle 2 plus 50 is equal to 180, or angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 50. Sorry, angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 50 is equal to 80. So angle 2 comes out to be 80. So this angle is 80, and these two angles are also same. If this is 80, angle 3 is also 80. Angle 3 is equal to angle 2. Why? These are vertically opposite angles. So if this is a line, two lines crossing each other, so these are two vertically opposite angles. Angle 1 and angle 2 are vertically opposite, and these two angles are equal. Similarly, angle 3 and angle 4 are vertically opposite, therefore angle 4 is equal to angle 3. This is a property of vertically opposite angle. So if this is 80, this is also 80. Since the two sides are equal, this angle is angle x, this angle is also x, because these are the angles corresponding to the equal sides of a triangle. Therefore again 80 in this triangle, 80 plus x must be equal to 180, as sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180. Therefore 2x is equal to 180 minus 80 is equal to 100. So x is equal to 100 upon 2 is equal to 50. So this angle comes out to be 50, and this is also 50. These two angles are 50. Now we'll move to our next question. Our next question is question number 5, part 5. So a triangle is given. So this is a triangle given, and this angle is 140, and these two sides are equal, and we have to find this angle x. And this third side is also equal. So again, since this angle is 140 degree, and again total angle on a line, angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 on a straight line. Therefore angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 140 is equal to 80 is equal to 40. So this is equal to, this angle is equal to 40. So this angle is 4040, and since these two sides are equal, the angle corresponding, angle opposite to the equal sides are also equal. So this angle is also 40. So this is 40, this is 40. So third angle, this is the, let this be angle 3. So angle 3 plus 40 plus 40 is equal to 180, because sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180. This angle is 40, this is also 40. Then angle 3 will be equal to 180 minus 40 plus 40, 80 is equal to 100. Angle 3 is, this angle is 100. So this angle comes out to be 100. Similarly, now here this angle is 40 and this is again a straight line. Let this angle be angle 5. This is also a straight line. Therefore, again angle 5 plus 40 is equal to 180. Angle 5 plus 40 is again 180, because this is also a straight line, this is also a line. Total angle on a straight line is 180. So angle 40 plus angle 5 will be equal to 180. Angle 5 comes out to be 180 plus minus 40 is equal to 140. Angle 5 come out to be 140, and now the two angles are angle x and angle 6. Let this be angle 6. Angle x plus angle 6 plus 140 is equal to 180, as sum is equal to 180. As sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180. Therefore, this is angle x, and angle x is equal to angle 6, because these two sides are given equal. Therefore, angle 6 is equal to angle x. We can write here as 2 times angle x plus 140 is equal to 180. 2 times angle x comes out to be 180 minus 140 is 40, and x comes out to be 40 upon 2 is equal to 20. So x comes out to be 20. So our required angle x is equal to 20 degree. Now we'll move to the last question of the exercise. So this is the last question of the exercise. So this is a triangle. This angle is 90 and the two sides are given equal. These two sides are given equal. We have to find angle x. So because it is a right angle triangle. So let this be angle 1. So this angle is 90. So angle 1 plus angle x plus 90 is equal to 180. Angle 1 plus angle x comes out to be 90. 180 minus 90 is 90. Therefore, now angle 1 is equal to angle x. Therefore, we can write 2 times angle x is equal to 90, and angle x comes out to be 90 upon 2 is equal to 45 degree. So angle x is 45 degree. So here our this exercise is over. Now we'll start with our next exercise, which is 12.2. So before doing that, note this down. Now we'll start with the exercise 12.2. So exercise 12.2, it is exercise 12.2. Exercise 12.2, and our first question is, now our first question in exercise 12.2. So very first thing is, the property which is used in this chapter is that, so if this is a triangle, suppose this is a triangle, so angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, so these are the interior angles, and angle 4 is a exterior angle. Angle 4 is exterior angle. Now we also know that this is a straight line. This is a straight line. So this total angle must be equal to 180. So therefore we know angle 3 plus angle 4 must be equal to 180 because it is a straight line, and this total angle must be equal to 180. And we also know that sum of angles of triangle is 180. Therefore angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. Therefore we can write angle 3 as angle 3 is equal to 180 minus angle 1 plus angle 2. 180 minus angle 1 plus angle 2. So this is our, let this be our equation 1, this is our equation 2. So if we put the value of angle 3 in equation 1, we put angle 3 in equation 1 from equation 2. From equation 2 we put in equation 1, we get angle 3, that is angle 1 180 minus angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 4. So this whole is angle 3. This is the angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180. Therefore from here we can write this is 180. 180 will come this side, it will get subtracted. So we'll get minus of angle 1 plus angle 2, negative of angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 minus 180 is equal to 0. So we have minus of angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 4 is equal to 0. Therefore angle 4, this will go the other side and it will become positive. So it is negative this side, so to the right side it will become positive, angle 1 plus angle 2. So what we have done here, angle 4 comes out to be angle 1 plus angle 2. Therefore the property of a triangle is exterior angle. These are the exterior angle, and angle 1 and angle 2 are the opposite interior angle. These are the angles which are the opposite interior angle. Therefore the property is exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite exterior angles. Sum of opposite exterior angle. This is the property we are going to use in this chapter. So it is equal to sum of opposite exterior angles. Now we'll do the exercise number 12.2. We'll do exercise number 12.2, and the question in our syllabus are question number 1, 2, 3 and 6 are in our syllabus. So question number 1, first is question number 1. So we have given a triangle is given. So this is a triangle. So this angle is given as 125, this angle given as 100, and this angle is given as x. And we have to find the value of x. Here we have to find the value of x. So there are two methods. First is, we know that here we can do it like this way also, that here also we know that angle 1 plus 100 is, we know angle 1 plus 100 is equal to 180. Therefore angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 100 is equal to 80. So angle 1 is 8080. Similarly, we also know that 125 plus angle 2 is 125 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. Again, angle 2 plus 125 is equal to 180. Therefore, angle 2 is 180 minus 125. 180 plus minus 125. This is our second angle. Now we have to find the third angle. So this angle, this comes out to be 55. So this angle 2 comes out to be 55. Therefore x is equal to angle 1 as the sum of all the angles is 184. Therefore angle 1 plus angle 2 plus x is 180. X is equal to 180 minus angle 1 minus angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 80 and minus 55. Minus 80 minus 55. So 100 minus 80 is equal to, this is equal to 100 minus 55 and this comes out to be 45. Therefore angle x is equal to 45. This is a one way and there is one other way. Other way is that 100 is equal to x plus angle 2 and 125 is equal to x plus angle 1. This is also another way, but this is a better way. Now we'll move to the second question. We'll move to the second question of the exercise. Second part of the first question. So in second part, again triangle is given. So this triangle is given. So this angle is 60. This angle is angle y. This is angle x, and this is 125. So again, as we know, total angle on a straight line is 180. Since we know angle x plus 125 must be equal to 180. Therefore, angle x must be equal to 180 minus 125 is equal to 55. So angle x comes out to be 55. So angle x is 55. Angle x is 55 and we have to find angle y. So again angle y plus angle x plus 60, sum is 180. Therefore angle y must be equal to 180 minus 60 and angle x is 55 minus 55. So this is equal to 180 minus 60 plus 50 is 110 and 115. So 180 minus 115 is equal to 80 minus 15 is equal to 65. So angle y is equal to 65. Angle y is 65, angle x is 55 and the third angle is 60. Now we move to the other question. Question number third part of the first question. Now move to third part of first question. So part third. So again a triangle is given. So this is a triangle. So this angle is 116. This is angle x and the both angles are equal. Both angles are given equal and both are equal to y. Again here we can write, so one method is we can write x plus 116 is 180. From there value of x will come. Another method is, as we have done the property, exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Therefore exterior angle 160 is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. Therefore 116 is equal to 2y and 116 divided by 2 is equal to y. So 5 the 10, 2 8 the 16. So y comes out to be 58. Y comes out to be 58. So these two angles are, both angles are 58. Both angles are 58 and angle x is equal to 180 minus 116 because the whole angle is 180. Angle x is 180 minus 116. So this comes out to be, x comes out to be 80 minus 16 is equal to 64. So this angle is 64, this is 58 and this is also 58. Now I'll move to next question. Question number 4. Now I'll move to question number 4. So again, this is a triangle. So this angle, exterior angle is 110. This angle is 130. This is x and this is y. This angle is x and this angle is y. So again we have to find the value of x. Therefore, again this is 130. X is equal to 180 minus 130. X is 180 minus 130 is equal to 50. X is equal to 50. Here also we have to find this angle. This angle is angle 1. Angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 110. Because many times we have done this. This angle is, angle 1 is equal to 100 minus 180 minus the exterior angle. Interior angle, corresponding interior angle is 180 minus the exterior angle. Therefore, angle 1 is 180 minus 110 is equal to 70. Angle 1 is 70. Therefore, angle x, all sum of all angle is 180. Angle x plus angle y plus angle 1 is equal to 180. So angle x comes out to be 50 plus angle y plus angle 1 is 70 is equal to 180. So y is equal to 180 minus 70 minus 50. So it is equal to 180, 110 minus 50 is equal to 60. 60. Angle 1 comes out to be 60. Angle x is equal to 50 and angle 1 comes out to be 70, 60 and 50. Now we'll move to the next question. Question number 5. So move to question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5 is again triangle is given. So triangle formed by 3 lines. So this angle is equal to 35. This angle is x and this angle is 110. Again we have to find angle x. So this is angle 1. As earlier we have said, angle 1 and angle 35 are vertically opposite angles. Angle 1 is equal to angle 35 is equal to 35 by vertically opposite angle. These are vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. Therefore, angle 1 comes out to be 35. Now this is angle 2. Angle 2 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 110 is 180. Therefore, angle 2 is 180 minus 110 is equal to 70. Therefore, angle x plus angle 1 plus angle 2 comes out to be 180. Angle x plus angle 1 is 35 plus 70 is equal to 180. Therefore, angle x is 180 minus 70 minus 35. So this is equal to 180 minus 105. So this is 80 minus 5 is 75. So angle x is 75. Our angle x is 75. Next question is question number 6. Next we will do Question number 6. So again triangle is given. So this is the triangle. So these two sides are given as equal. This is angle x and this is angle 37. This is 37. So if this angle is 37, then angle 1 is also equal to 37. This angle is also 37. Why? Because these two sides are equal and these are the angles opposite to the equal sides. Now angle x is the exterior angle. Exterior angle. Angle x is exterior angle, therefore angle x is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So angle x is equal to 37 plus 37 is equal to 74. Angle x comes out to be 74. So angle x is 74. Now is our next question. Next question is question number 7. Now we'll do question number 7. Now question number 7. So question number 7, this is a triangle and this angle is 40. So and this angle is angle x and the two sides are equal. These two sides are equal, therefore these two angles are also equal. These two sides are equal, the two angles are also equal. Let this be angle 1, let this be angle 2. So angle 1 is equal to 180 minus x. 180 minus x, because sum is 180 and this is x, so angle 1 is 180 minus x. Angle 2 is equal to angle 1, because the two sides are equal, because these are opposite to the angles opposite to equal sides. Angles equal sides are equal, therefore angle 2 is also equal to 180 minus x. And third angle is 140 and sum is equal to 180. Sum of all angles is 180, therefore 40 plus angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180, or 40 plus angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 2 times angle 1, because these two angles are same. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, so we will write angle 1 plus angle 2 is 2 times angle 1. So 40 plus 2 times angle 1 is given as, so angle 1 is, we have find 180 minus x. 2 into 180 minus x comes out to be 180. It is 180. Therefore, from here we can write 40 plus, so 2 into 180 is 360 and minus 2x, 2 into x, 2x is equal to 180. Therefore, we can write 40 plus 360, or 180 comes to the right side, it becomes minus 180 and minus 2x is equal to 0. Therefore, so 360 plus 40 is equal to 360 plus 40 is equal to 400 and 400 minus 180. 400 minus 180 is equal to 300 minus 80 is equal to 2. So 360 minus 180 is 180. 40 plus 180 minus 2x comes out to be 0, and 40 plus 180 is 220. 220 is equal to 2x, because x when go to other side it will become positive, so x will be 220 divided by 2 is equal to x. So x comes out to be 110. So this angle is 110. Now we will do next question, question number 8. Question 8. So this is the triangle. This is triangle and this angle is 135. This angle is 85 and this angle is angle X. This is angle X. We have to find angle X and angle X is sum of opposite interior angle. So let this be angle 1. So angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 135 and 180 minus 135 is equal to 45. So this angle is equal to 45. So angle X is sum of opposite interior angle means 85 plus 45. So angle X comes out to be 80 plus 85 plus 5 is equal to 90 and 90 plus 40 is 130. So this angle comes out to be 130. X is, so this is 135, this angle is 135, this angle is 45. So and this is 85 and X will be sum of opposite angles. 85 plus 45 is equal to 130. Now the last question of first part, question number 9. Now we are going to do question number 9, which is the last question, last part of question 1. So question number 9, we have a triangle like this. We have a triangle like this. So the exterior angle is given as 110 and this angle is equal to angle X and this angle is angle 165. This angle is 165 and we have to find angle X. So if this angle is 110, so this is angle 1, this is angle 2. Angle 1 comes out to be 180 minus 110 is equal to 70 and angle 2, similarly angle 2 is 180 minus 165. So 180 minus 165 comes out to be 15. So angle 2 is equal to 15 and angle 1 is equal to 70 and X is equal to, so X is the exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. Angle X is angle 1 plus angle 2. So it is equal to 70 plus 15. So it is equal to 85. So angle X comes out to be 85. So here next question we will do in the next video.